What could you do with 30, maybe 50, 100, or who knows, maybe even $200 per year without doing anything? Today I'm gonna review Peer2Profit, an application that allows you to make the easiest passive income on your PC or your mobile phone just because you have an internet connection. No effort and no time required. I'm also gonna explain why Peer2Profit is willing to pay you, how much money you can expect to make, and how you can actually start earning effortlessly without doing anything. So how does this work? Most people nowadays have unlimited Wi-Fi at home and mobile data plans that are not fully consumed each month. By using Peer2Profit and similar applications like it that can all work together, such as Honeygain, IP Royal, and PacketStream, you can share your unused internet connection with businesses that will pay for your internet connection and access publicly available information online for purposes such as price comparison and app testing without accessing your personal data. Peer2Profit currently pays between $8 to $10 per 10 gigabytes shared, the highest rate in comparison to other apps like it. Now, does it mean that you should just use Peer2Profit? Well, the answer is no. While it pays the most, you can use all of them together with no problems at all and benefit from all at the same time. In fact, I've been using all of them for over half a year and never even noticed a drop in speed because these applications only gather small bits of information and use about 10% of your internet bandwidth. With Peer2Profit, you install it on as many devices across as many networks as possible and forget about it. You don't have to do anything. Literally, you can go to work, study, or sleep, and as long as your devices are connected to the internet, you will be making money in the background. Now, it's important to note that your earnings will vary from day to day and also depending on factors such as the amount of devices and networks that you connect, but most importantly, your location. You might earn more or less. Remember that the demand for your location will differ, and also if there are many active users other than you in your area, you might earn less, or the opposite, you might end up earning more. Either way, you can make passive income without doing anything whatsoever. All you need to do is create accounts for each of the apps down below the video, download the apps on as many devices and networks, set it up once, and continue with your life. However, we need to set the expectations right. While this is not an income that can replace your job, it is an income of pocket money that you can use to cover some bills and payments or treat yourself with something tiny from time to time. With that being said, if you actually put the initial negligible effort of connecting multiple devices and using all of the applications together, you can easily look at great amounts of money that you can make for doing absolutely nothing. What could you do with 30, maybe 50, 100, or who knows, maybe even $200 per year without doing anything? I truly believe that if you look for making some money online, this is the first thing you should try because this requires zero effort and zero time, which leaves your precious time untouched. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more easy ways to earn money online. As of now, Peer2Profit only pays in Bitcoin, but it is very likely that it will soon also pay in more payment methods such as PayPal. You can either start earning some Bitcoin if you haven't yet, or earn until you can request a payout in PayPal. There are similar applications out there, as mentioned, that do pay in both PayPal and Bitcoin, so make sure to benefit from all of them. Now look, if you want to learn how to increase your earnings even further without doing anything, watch this playlist just about that. If you learned something new, please like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.